It is? Oh, it's me, it's me, it's me. I'm so sorry. Yes, it should. It cannot be like that. Yeah, you won't do it that way.
takeoff and landing, ensure that you
Having traffic on your desk.
put the back of your seat upright. Keep your shoes on. Before we take off, stow your luggage under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartments.